Firstly, I want to apologize for the inconvenience we have brought for you. And now I will show how to connect FireTV with our UE1. Firstly, you need to press E and the two buttons long time for some seconds. I need to choose pairing and connecting successfully. And now you can add devices. FireTV. Choose FireTV icon and continue. Next, you can follow the steps. You need to use your original remote to control and choose the setting. Controllers and Bluetooth devices, and choose other Bluetooth devices and add Bluetooth devices. You can phone over SofaBaton and choose this. Now the device is connected. You can use U1 to control your first generation FireTV stick remote. And watch movies. You can control the forward and option keys and other keys such as back buttons. Let me show you. Forward, back forward.